Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo, and today I'm here with a product that was sent to me by Uahpet. They sent me a water fountain and a Smart Pet Deodorizer, Oder Deodorizer. So it says that the mechanism doesn't have to be in the water, so let's go see how it is. It's packed nicely. It comes with your user's manual. Your cord, your pump, filters, wow, 4 filters, and more filters. Oh, they're for that. Oh, cool. Let's see how easy it is to put this thing together. Not screwed up. So how you do it? Oh, there it is. Plug that in. Okay. Where? Oh, this will go on the lip over there. Okay. I see how it works now. It goes in there like that. And it has a little tab. You can pull the nasty one out. That's awesome. And that's all I have. And it. And this goes on there. Okay. We got our dry run down now. Please don't pay attention to the mess in the background. Pour our water in. I don't see a max fill line on it, so we're just going to go to there. Okay, so we got that put together, and here comes, we're going to plug it in. Oh, it beeped. And turn it on. Maybe. Yabby, come here. It's got water coming out, y'all. See if she likes it. Oh, she likes it, y'all. Look. you think about that, Yabby Kitty? Uahpet, you hit a home run on this one. Alright, she loves her water fountain. Now, let's see what this other is. You're supposed to stick it up by their litter box. And it's supposed to help eliminate odor. User manual. Oh, it reminds you of one of those stick-ups. But it has to be charged. It's got a light. It looks like a light. I don't know what that is. It looks like it has a motion sensor on it. Oh, it'll go you stick to your wall. And that twists in it, I guess. Or it sent me 2 of them. Oh, it sent me 2 of them. Cool beans. And the charging cord. Hey, I hope that works, because you a stinky butt. Well, as you can see, she loved the water deal. And it won't overflow because it has that hole that goes down in the side there. Oh, and look, when she's gone, it goes off. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Okay, y'all, look at this. I've unplugged it. The cord's over here. Watch. It's completely wireless. This would be perfect for van life, camping. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this thing. Alright, Uahpet hit a home run with that one. They really did. Abby loved it. I'm liking it. It goes off when she's not there, so it don't continuously run. And the charger deal isn't inside the bowl with the, how do you call it? She can't get electrocuted. So I'm really liking that. I don't like electricity and water. I don't like the little pumps that's inside the water. So, with that being said, I hope y'all give this a try. There's a 15% coupon. Use the code BIDDYBOO, all uppercase. You'll get 15% off your purchase. Remember, y'all, the world's a better place because you're in it. Please never forget it. I love you, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.